Ako. You might be wondering why we cried in the clip. Just keep on watching. Since our review has started already, nag-start na pod ko basa or nag-take note. And I was reading Busyong at that time. So, Bible journal sa mga rad texts. So, Busyong covers the 4 core subject and it is under cluster 1. And that 4 core subject, wala siya tong rad physics, rad bio, QA, QC, and the rad protection. I use pencil so that my erase na ko siya dayon. And I eat tuna flakes and I paired it with milk or sometimes soft drinks for my snack pag mag-review ko. And then, as you notice, every other day ko nag-film kasi sometimes natamad ko mag video. Pero for the compilation, go. So here are some clips of my not so aesthetic OOTD, but I'm comfy with it. If I have my allowance, I really bought something that take away my stress, just even for a while, diba? Sa kadagan ako ginabasa. Char! Wala gabasa. Sa kadagan ako ginabasa, so mas stress man punta. And yeah, I bought Nasty. And it is one of those stress relievers jud na ako. Aside Mountain Dew. So, nagbayad sa ako sa cashier, of course. And then, aside from Nasty, food. And dara na lang ko ng breakfast. So, I forgot kung sa ito na breakfast ang gikaon. Pero, anyway, I took some photos sa mulag para remembrance. And I love the place, especially yung coffee shop. Aside sa laang, nag-visit ko og mga churches there. And I visited 7 churches. And in this clip, I think I was heading to the review center para sa akong class review. And nagabaktas ko padulong sa akong sakayan. And after that, magbaba ako sa kanto and baktas pod ko. And another clip of me again na papuntang review center. So, I do it every day during pag naalay review, of course. And then, nagsakay ko elevator since dili naman siya crowded. Same tong first week. I celebrated my birthday in Manila and it was a bit sad and nakakapanibago kasi I used to celebrate my birthday with my mom and family. So, yun lang. And I'm happy naman and it's fine. It's part of life. Fast forward, it's already November and September baby ako. And I think wala akong October videos. I don't know why. I muted the video kasi naka-Taylor Swift music siya and baka makapiright ako. Charot. So, I was just basically telling na it was already November and malapit na talagang board exam. And I was just low-key flexing yung mga nakatikit sa dingding na di ko binabasa. And I don't know, siguro sa dinami-dami kong binabasa, parang I feel the need to make dikit sa dingding ng mga notes para di ko makalimutan. And yung tinatamad pa din magbasa. So, design lang. So, hi guys!
Hello.
I'm currently here at Makati. Wow! Makati lang din. So,
Nasyo there sa mga
say hi to Langging. May kababata. Yeah, sa una nag-ano pa me. Tumbalato kami sa gidlay. Pero nanami diri. Wow.
M&M na lang.
Oh, feeling. So, hello everyone. I am on my way to laundry shop. Kasi ilalagay, magpapalaundry ako. And I'm still kinda sleepy because I just got home from church. Yeah. So I'm walking because ang gastos na para sumakay, it's kinda naman, malapit. So, and for exercise na, still kinda sleepy guys. And I'm kinda shy. So probably you're gonna see my double chin because of my camera orientation. Because I'm really shy filming outside. I'm just shy lang talaga. So ayun. So malapit na tayo. I hope it's not close. So hi ulit guys. I am done dropping my laundry there. So babalikan ko siya bukas. Kasi ang dami ko pa namang damit sa kondo. So what I love about that laundry shop is that it's cheap. Yet ang bango and ang linis. Sa pagtupi ang ganda. Ang ganda. And then, sumisigaw kasi sa likod. And then, kahit malayo, okay lang. Kasi it's part of life. It's so I'm heading back to our condo. Because mag-ready na rin ako for my class, for my review. Kasi 1 p.m. And I will not going there 1 p.m. of course. Dapat advance or earlier than that. So hello everyone. I am alone here at inside the elevator. Tapos gusto ko ganun palagi. Sabi niya ako, gusto ko ganun palagi yung elevator. So, on our way to the center. So, here's cameras. Ngayon ang aking bag. I brought it me my matcha drink so that I won't be sleepy during the reading. Ikaw, gatapan to me. During our day off, it's either I go out to review or to just stay sa condo para mag-rest or mag-review pa rin. So, nagre-review ako sa word positioning subject namin. That's our cluster 3 sa board exam. So, ang dami nitong i-memorize and familiarize from its method, positions down to what part yung visualize sa particular na procedure, central race, and etc. The next day, I decided to go to the rooftop to have some fresh air and to review. I was reading my book about IPE, which is our cluster 2 sa board exam. And alam niyo ba guys, na-try ko na halos lahat ng study methods. And none of them worked. sa akin. Maybe short time ko lang siya tinry or I have short-term memory. So, what I did is, gina-repeat ko siya basa, then memorize, and then understand the topic. Yun lang. Hello guys. Only have 10 days left before our exam. Kinakabahan na ako. Hello guys, 5 days left. Hello everyone!
Hi guys!
Hi! Ilang days na lang bago board exam natin.
2 days na lang
2
guys.
days left guys. Board exam na kami. RRT! RRT!
This December 2022.
Yes.
Yan guys, naglalakad kami. Ay!
Naglalakad kami papunta sa dorm niya. Kukunin lang namin yung mga laundry and other stuff.
Kasi nga, nag-check-in na kami guys.
We chose to lakad-lakad kasi sabi ng top notcher sa TikTok, dapat pag gusto mo maging top notcher, maglakad-lakad. Exercise. Ito lang yung exercise na kaya namin. So far. Kasi nakakapagod.
Kaya naglalakad-lakad kami kasi baka maging top notcher.
Di ba ka top notcher tayo?
Oo.
Ganito yung boses ko kasi inuubo ako at sinisipon. Diba, ang lapit na ng board exam. Saka pa ako nagkakaganito.
Kinakabahan pero kakayan.
Yes.
Uy.
Hi
May ako nagabahan.
everyone. We're going where? Bisaya. Pupunta kami, ay maghanap kami ng kakainan dito kasi nagugutom na daw si Jiwan.
Yeah.
Ako at saka si Auntie Petty. Ay, bawal mag-bad words. So, ayun. Ayun lang guys. Life update.
Yun ang ano namin ngayong walang katapusang lakad.
Yun kasi yung top notcher tip.
Oo.
Kailangan ng inang exercise.
Kaya ngayon, lagi kaming
Naglakad ng lakad. So, ayun. One day na lang, guys.
Yes.
Sayang
One
natin
day
to.
ba?
1 day and few more hours. Hours.
One day and
Few more hours. Hey guys! So, ang venue ko is sa MCU. Venue niya sa Ayala Malls. Tsaka siya sa MCU din. So,
pero kami naka-hotel na kami.
oo.
Magkano yung hotel nyo? 1.4.
Hello everyone! Tomorrow na ang aming board exam. Let's go! Anong masasabi mo na board ka natin bukas? Papasa ako.
Nakakabahan. At pero, papasa.
And this is it! The time has finally come. So every step, ginaisip ko, papasa. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Uwi na kami sa mga condo namin.
Yeah. Tignan mo naman yung hair ko. Ang stress ng ate mo. Pero pag...
Smile ka.
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi! Hi future RRTs! Ay, RRTs na pala.
RRT na. Kahapon pa. Ay,
Oo, kahapon
ba?
pa. Oo, kahapon pa. Hi RRT! After board exam, we decided to pack our things na kay lapit na mong flight and para wala na sad mi problemahon. So, I was with Baninay kay say mi kaulion na. Charot. If nagawonder mo na dili na ko siya kauban sa previous clips, kaiba man gud mig review centers. So that's why. So dagan kay ko gamit guys, and wala ko kabalo pa unsa na ko siya ikasya sa kumaleta. Maong nagpalit na lang ko extra sack bag para lang gid madala na ko tanan akong gamit. Then nagkaon mig breakfast namo. Tapos while eating, nag-share mi sa mong experience during the review, and then kung unsa among ginabati at that moment kay after board exam, waiting time na pod sa result. So, halo-halo na gid among ginabati. Pressured, at the same time happy kay tapos ng board exam.
So hi everyone. So tomorrow is the result of our board exam. So alright na kami. Result na lang po yung kulang. Tapos papunta kami kay Coco. Ayan, excited masyado siya. So, hi guys. We're waiting sa aming milk tea. Look at our faces na. Circle. Bilog na bilog. Alagang mamsi. Yay! Happy na po kami nito. So, we got our milk tea. So, we're heading to Bukid. Ang boring naman ang vlog na to. Yes. So, wala lang. Ano pala, we're here at SM Sukat.
Diyan kami nag-stay.
Either way, okay lang sa akin kasi
Sapa.
Oh boy. 900.
God, it's so cute. Oh, happy birthday. Cutie. So, nasa Mr. DIY kami, guys. Lahat na lang. No, it's not. It's not me. It's not me. Hi guys! We're finally here at Naiya Airport. Ang aga po namin. Mamaya pa po 11 PM yung flight. But andito na kami what time is it? 1 PM. Yes. Sobra pa sa mga lola natin, sa mga parents natin. 'Di ba pag ingon nila na Bisaya. Pag ingon nila, 'di ba, pag mag-flight, for example, flight 10 AM, mga 3 AM pa sa kadlaw na dire. Sobra pa miya to. Feel na mo nami. We're all this na. We're getting there. So tama ng ating mangita sa ring makanan, guys. Wala Jollibee dire. Di ba na may Jollibee dire?
Oo, nakakagani.
Mangita sa amin. Buyers. Hi guys. Answered na siya sa result. Hi guys. We only have few hours left bago yung aming result. So, kinakabahan na po kami. Mag-check-in na po kami guys. Lord, for us, hello guys, order namin. Hi guys, touchdown Davao. RRT na guys. May license na